Hello all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset this oil indicator of an Opel Meriva 2010 model. After changing the oil, there is an indicator that says an amount of percentage of the oil. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, it's Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more videos on how to reset different kind of stuff on different model cars. We have more than 350 other videos. If you have any question, use the comment area below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, turn the ignition off, then turn the ignition on. Then we have a left thumbstick over here. When we press this menu button over here, press it, then you'll see that there is an indicator, oil indicator. It says 78%. I'm gonna put that back to 100%. We did an oil change recently, and to put that back to 100%, just press the set button or reset button on the left side. Press it shortly and let it go, and as you can see, it is now for 100%. You can scroll through the menu like this. So if you have this visible, just scroll through it to get the oil indicator visible. So once again, turn on, press menu button, scroll till you find the oil indicator, press shortly, let go, and as you can see, it's now back to 100%. And it counts back from 100 to 0, and if it reaches 0, you need to change the oil or the filters for another service. That was it for today. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time with another video. Take care. Bye bye.